What's up YouTube, GOI here. I'm doing another Pokemon today. I know I did one yesterday, but I'm determined to actually pull something decent from a Pokemon. I've got one from the Yu-Gi-Oh so far, and that was a Twin Twisters Bosch, so that was quite good. Now for this, I don't want to see the colour of the card because I don't want to know if I got shit. 4. Fairy Energy, Graveler, Altar of the Sunny, Matang, Litwick, Gothita, Panchamp, Alolan Vulpix, Chansey, Reverse Royal Fletchling, and a fucking Sandslash. Why? Why? Anyway, 110 ability. Once during your turn, before you attack, you may draw a card. And that is actually quite a good one. Switch this Pokemon with one of your bench Pokemon and do 50 damage. 2 retreat costs. That's cool. Cheers for watching, guys. Remember to go check out my website, support the channel. Prices are cheaper than eBay. Free shipping to the UK if you spend more than £4, and free shipping internationally if you spend more than £20, which is about $25. Yeah, so go visit that, which is www.geekout-industries.com. Cheers for watching, and remember, don't freak out, geek out.